Alright, so now we're gonna make a menu for my menu pack. We're gonna start off by just making a new folder, calling it main menu, so we can keep everything organized that we're doing with. And we're just gonna start by making a level. And we open that level, and it should be completely dark. That means, because there's no lighting, you can add that all yourself, what you want to show. For now, we're just gonna make a main menu. So what I recommend you do is make a duplicate of this, the main menu example, and then we can just call it main menu game name here, and we can move that to our main menu section. We'll go to menu, and we open it up. And what it should already have is the navigation bar, which is on the highest level, and it should down here have these different content pages. And that's the main structure we're gonna follow, is make content pages for your menu which are easily swapped out. And we're gonna just delete these for now and go back to our section here. Can make a blueprint for a user interface. We call this Yes, we call this WP main menu page, and we can open that up. We can here then add an overlay, is what I often recommend. If you know more about how to structure these, you can choose what you want here. And for now, we'll just add one of the existing buttons. So my pack has multiple buttons. I use the naming convention WBBC, as in widget blueprint child, and we have a guard button here, for example. Boom. Now a guard button has many things you can configure. You can change the size if you don't like the image you use. It will often do some warping if you do that. You can set some text. So right here, maybe we want to show the different skins we have. We can have some secondary text. We can have some padding. Uh, Left and right padding is specifically for the text. Top and bottom padding is how far on the card it is, since the card itself size is defined here. So if you put in it here, it will go up. If you put it at the top, it will ensure that elements above it will be pushed further away. So if we set the height to only like 250, will be very small, but if we also add additional padding, then it will go back to a normal size. Now we reset this, this, and this, and just keep this for now. We compile this, and we can now go back here. We can search for our palettes, the WBB main page, menu page, and we can put that in the content pages. Now, as you can see, it shows up here. If you have multiple, you can make a quick duplicate, main page 2, and we can like real quick change this from skins to heroes, and we compile, save that. It's always good to do. And we get page 2 also in here. Can swap between them. See the text changes. And that depends on these buttons up here. So as you can see, we have the text that we can set, the tab index, which is what number of page we will take from this. In this case, the first one is 0, then 1. So the play button will go to the first one. This will go to the second one, the third one, yeah. And so on. If you don't have a content page for a specific button, the index will just go to the closest thing. And that is how you add content pages.